Hi guys, welcome to Long Sin, which is in the An Giang province in the Mekong Delta, which is the south region of Vietnam. We arrived here after completing a trip of about 180 kilometers. It took us just over 6 hours to complete. In the time we were in this town, we were privileged to see the Asian World Cup soccer, see Vietnam win the game and the series. We met nice people, we had good cheap beer, we had fantastic food. We even took our bikes in for servicing and repairs at the local Yamaha dealer. So support us, stick with us through to the end of the video, like, share and comment, and watch the whole video. Just come straight down. Come straight down. Don't stop. Come, don't stop. Don't hesitate. Keep moving.
So we are here with our new guide, Tyre, and our first experience with him is coming to this restaurant, and it's a vegetarian buffet at 15,000 dong per person, which is unbelievably cheap, and you can see it's extremely busy.
So we use this leg and we push right inside the leg. Yeah, really you put it, really you. You can eat everything here. We call it vegetarian buffet. Okay, you can everything.
Perfect. Let's have some.
I can't believe how good this food is. This is bok choy, my all-time favorite vegetable. And I went for seconds to get some of that tofu that I've been taking out of Louis' plate. It's the same.
những đợt tấn công điên của Có thế nào để thực hiện điều đó hay không? Không thể có tốc độ bám rất sát. Có một điều chúng tôi phải nói như thế này là chúng tôi rất khó khăn để tìm được một tình huống mà hai Indonesia tấn công viên chúng ta.
Super cool. We are here in Xuyen. It's in the Mekong Delta and spot on time to see the World Cup, no, not the World Cup, but Asia Cup of soccer. And it's the finals, with Vietnam being in the finals, so it's much excitement. I think all the youth is out and about, including us. And there is Louis with our two new friends, Khan and Tai. They both study tourism, so they want to become tour guides, and Tai will be with us for the whole duration of our stay in the Mekong Delta. Really awesome.
This is roasted rice. It is famous food in Xuyen city of An Giang province. So together. Yeah.
And Thai friend just joined us. Hi, Khan, how are you? Did you sleep too late?
Yes, I feel maybe I'm sick today.
Oh.
Tháng năm này tụi nó về, hết phép nó mới về. Ở bên giờ giấc không có thì giờ. Không thì giờ.
Chú có mấy người con?
Trời, tôi con đông, tôi ba tàu mà họ quách.
Mấy người con, tổng cộng mấy người?
8-9 người con ở Việt Nam này.
Oh.
Bác sĩ này ha, nuôi tôi không nổi.
He has the nine son.
He has 4-5 triệu sao nuôi nổi. Ở bển nuôi tỉnh bơ.
Yeah.
Mà tôi đó có hiếu với mẹ đó mà tôi không đi học viên.
Năm nay ông nhiêu tuổi?
87 tuổi.
Oh, 87 years old. Yeah, he 87 years old.
Sáng tập thể dục nha. Tôi với vợ tôi ha. Tập.
There are 8. So this is a traditional coffee shop in Vietnam. There are only one in Xuyen city. A coffee here handed down from generation to generation.
Look at the pot.
And we use a firewood. Small bucket with a small net below. Because that is the reason why coffee is black. Coffee is black.
Another food market and vegetables and meat, and it's not too busy, but it's 12 o'clock, so maybe that's why it's not too busy. Some meat in this heat. A scooter is somewhere there. Parking lot.
This is the meat. We are moving into the meat section where everything is very halal.
Oh, like we had in Cambodia.
Yeah, salt green pepper.
Oh, I wish we could cook now that we had a kitchen. Oh, I want that. Oops. Bit of a traffic jam in the alley. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. I think it's more like a wholesaler. Look at this. Beetroot. Oh, potatoes. Yes, yes. Look at those bags of... Look at those bags of garlic. We are here in the middle of a roundabout with a very famous lady who can fixes the small pieces of scrap metal that's in Louis' bike. So apparently she's a celebrity.
Chắc xe em cũng không thuộc nữa hả? Cô nghe nói cô giáo này lâu rồi không cô? Đúng rồi. Dạ. Cô này không?
Bóp hả?
Where vulcanizing rubber tire repairs originated from. Yeah, I don't imagine her being anything under maybe 70 years old, and she's straight to the job. She knows how to do it. She's apparently one of the most famous tire repair persons in the city.
I actually broke my mirror of my bike. I will not explain how. And Louis' bike has a bit of a sound, which doesn't sound too good. So we are here at the Yamaha shop, and we'll try to make the booking and have everything fixed before we head to the next town in a few days. So this is on a Sunday, so it's still very busy. The workshops are open, and it's actually a very nice Yamaha workshop. This translation is happening in every part of the shop. It's actually a really cool experience, I must say. Okay, now it becomes visual. Fame is due to a brain problem. I totally agree with that. Inspection is being done by master technician. The hydraulic lift of the workbench has now become a lunch table, and they are cleaning my bike. This is fresh beer.
Now this I've been waiting for all day, and it seems to be roughly 32 degrees out. They make draft beer in 10,000 liter tanks, and you get to buy a liter or 2 liters at a time. It's fairly cheap. I think we paid for a 2 liter about 12 rand or 15 rand, I'm not too sure. So here goes. Sitting on the side of the road. Let's give Barbara a little bit of a head here if we can. There's the first draft beer. There's a bit of a color happening there. Yeah, here goes. Cheers. It's not bad. Bit on the weak side, not like South African beers. But cold and wet and full of bubbles, so all good.
This is our dinner spot where our friend Ty is taking us.
Hi, I'm from Long Xi City.
This is the heart. You
What
eat your
was the
heart.
heart?
It was the heart.
Dr. Chris Barnard took this piece out in '87.
Is it nice? I can't
Well,
eat
it's a
that.
dry, tough meat. It's not soft and juicy.
Like a piece of.
We made biltong out of sheep's hearts in standard 7, and we fed it to the other kids in the class. But don't publish that.
No, I won't tell anybody. Promise.
Follow me. Welcome to my store. Yeah, my multi store.
So we are trying this Tora tea, and Tora means tiger in Japanese, and this is our friend Can. This is his family shop, and we will try the tea with all the bobas. How do you call it? Bobas?
Yes.
It's nice, and it's got things coming on.
Boba and lotus
Boba and lotus. Oh, this is.
and cherry.
I like it. I'll try yours as well. Oh, this is with honey and
Kumquat.
kumquat.
Yes, kumquat.
This is this is your bestseller.
I going one kumquat tree here. Yeah,
Oh, we'll
you
have a
can
look.
eat.
That's
Yeah.
nice. And now we are having drinks, and more friends have joined, as well as the university professor that teaches tourism skills. And so Khan on her left is still at university, and the two others have graduated. So now we're having some snails. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello. And the music is loud. Okay, so you put it in your mouth? A little clam, baby clam.
You bite. Bite
It's
strong.
sweet.
Yeah, bite strongly.
Okay, so in the middle.
You use finger.
It's a challenging meal. Come on, baby, open up.
You do it.
Ta-da!
You have nail.
And now?
Oh, very delicious.
Ta-da! Lekker, baie lekker.
How do you feel?
The jury is out on that one. It's okay. A bit slimy.
Yeah.
I prefer the other one.
Yes.
It's a bit more cooked.
Yeah.
It's almost raw.
It's not.
Always that you get it right.
Woo!